Chanangi pothok yokhatnabagi pandamda nongmagi oiba workshop cum exhibition nama Imphal gi lamphel patlaiba ICR North East Region Manipur Center da pangthokre thoramadu Department of Agriculture Government of Manipur amadi ICR Incubation Center Manipur Center na sponsor tawduna mainstreaming millets for food and nutritional security haiba hiramda pangthokibane workshop cum exhibition hogdokpa aduda sarukyakiba Central Agricultural University Imphal gi Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Mishrana Chanan hairaga khangnaba millet makhal asi Manipur gi aying asaga yamna chanaba ama oibana laumi singi scope yamna lay maram asina millet ki kanaba asi hena miyamda fanghanaba hotnabada national level da promotion policy ama semduna scientist amasong policy maker ani punna thabak tawminaba mathau tai haina phongdorakhi loinana Central Agricultural University gi maikaidagi so millet ki pothok hena puthok handuna miyamda masigi kanaba fanghanaba gi thabak su hotnari haina phongdokhi thauramadu chanan amasong masiga mari lainaba pothok singi stall kunsu hangdokhi stall singadu kaw Imphal gi Vice Chancellor na yengsinbaga loinana pothok puthokliba singbu pukning thaugatki.
A lot of scope in the climate of Manipur and the farmers those who are having skill making different recipe, different product from the millet. We need some promotion policy at national level, not in we can export also. That thing we have to formulate one strategy. We need some quantity, quality and continuity. For that purpose we have to link all those states, bring them in one platform. We have to develop some decision support system for those involved in production and processing and marketing of millet product.